Hey everyone! Welcome back to While You Are There. Today we're exploring the awesome city of Duluth, Minnesota. This place is seriously cool. It's right on the epic Lake Superior and has so much to offer. We're talking stunning views, delicious food, and adventures you won't believe. Get ready for some serious fun and excitement as we dive into the top things you absolutely must do when you're here. We're talking about places like Canal Park, the incredible Great Lakes Aquarium, and even Spirit Mountain, where things get seriously wild. I'm so pumped to show you guys around this place. It's gonna be insane. So buckle up, smash that like button for good luck, and let's get this adventure started. First up, we're hitting up Canal Park, the heart of Duluth. This place is buzzing with energy, and you can feel it the second you get here. We're talking awesome shops, restaurants with food that'll make your taste buds explode, and this view, oh my gosh, this view, you can literally see Lake Superior stretching out forever. And the best part? That crazy aerial lift bridge. It's iconic. This thing actually lifts up to let giant ships pass through. I'm talking huge freighters, guys. It's insane. We gotta see this thing in action. And hold up, are those giant buckets? Yep, that's the Duluth cargo cranes unloading those massive ships. We're talking tons and tons of stuff coming through here. This place is a real working port, which just adds to the whole coolness factor. All right, I'm starving. Time to grab some grub. Canal Park has got everything from fresh seafood to juicy burgers, and I'm gonna try it all. Let's do this. Next stop, the Great Lakes Aquarium. This place is off the hook. Get ready to dive deep into the world of Lake Superior and beyond without even getting wet. They've got these massive tanks filled with all kinds of crazy creatures. Check out those sturgeon. They're huge. And the jellyfish, they're like living lava lamps. But the best part? The sharks. I'm talking real-life sharks, swimming around like they own the place. And there's more. They've got a whole section on shipwrecks. Lake Superior is famous for its shipwrecks, and here you can learn all about their spooky history and see actual artifacts pulled from the depths. This place is seriously educational, but don't worry, it's also a ton of fun. I could spend all day here just watching the fish do their thing. All right, time to move on to our next adventure. All right, adrenaline junkies, this one's for you. We're headed to Spirit Mountain, where things are about to get wild. This place is an outdoor lover's paradise, no matter the season. In the winter, it transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and tubing. They've got runs for everyone, from beginners to total daredevils. I'm talking black diamond runs that'll have your heart racing. But wait, there's more. In the summer, Spirit Mountain turns into a mountain biking mecca. They've got miles of trails winding through the forest with jumps, drops, and obstacles that'll test your skills to the limit. We're gonna hit the slopes later and show you what this place is all about. But first, let's check out something a little different. Hold up, did someone say trains? We're at the Lake Superior Railroad Museum, and this place is like stepping back in time. They've got a massive collection of vintage trains, from steam locomotives to diesel engines and everything in between. You can actually walk through these trains, check out the sleeping cars, the dining cars, the engine room, everything. It's like being on a real-life Orient Express. And the history here is incredible. Duluth was a major hub for railroads back in the day, and this museum tells the whole story. But the coolest part? You can take a ride on a real vintage train. That's right, we're talking about a scenic journey along the shore of Lake Superior, pulled by a piece of history. The views are breathtaking and the experience is unforgettable. All right, time to hop off and check out our final stop. For our final stop, we're heading to Anger Tower, and let me tell you, this is the perfect way to end our Duluth adventure. This tower sits high on a hill, overlooking the entire city and, of course, the mighty Lake Superior. The views from up here are absolutely breathtaking. You can see everything. The aerial lift bridge, the ships coming and going from the harbor, the vast expanse of Lake Superior stretching out to the horizon. It's the kind of view that makes you realize just how small you are in the grand scheme of things. And the tower itself is pretty cool too. It's made of stone and has this old-world charm to it. You can climb all the way to the top for the best views, or just hang out in the park surrounding the tower and soak it all in. This place is truly magical, especially at sunset when the sky explodes with color. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through Duluth, Minnesota. This city was jam-packed with awesome things to do, from exploring the waterfront to diving into history to getting our adrenaline pumping. If you're looking for a fun and exciting getaway, Duluth is definitely worth checking out. And hey, if you decide to come here, make sure to hit up all the amazing spots we visited. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next epic adventure. We've got some crazy ideas brewing and you won't want to miss them. See you next time.